friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Wednesday Addams. So first let's get started in the center of our page, and for the hair we're going to curve this line over and across on both sides. And we're just going to end that at the same height. Now from here, starting back in the corner, we're going to curve this around and then up towards the top of our page. Starting again on the left-hand side, curving this line over and out. And then again from here, just curving this around and then back up. Before focusing on the rest of the hair, let's draw in the face. So starting on the left-hand side here, we're going to curve this around and then in towards the middle. And we'll do the same thing on the right, bringing that around, blending that in together on the bottom. Let's step up now for the eyebrows. So starting on the side, we're going to curve this around, down, and then up. We'll do the same thing on the left. And then now from that point in the corner, let's curve this around, up, and then back over towards the hair on the side. Now moving underneath, let's draw in our eyes. So starting in the corner here, we're going to curve this line up. We're going to bring this across and over. We'll do the same on the left. Now from that corner here, let's curve this around and through on the bottom. And now from here, we just want to thicken up these lines. So starting further up on the top, blending this in together, we're going to curve this around and back over. And we're just going to color that portion in black as we thicken up the corner. So again, on the side, bringing this up and over, just thickening that up. And then now from here, we're going to draw in 2 eyelashes. So we're going to curve this line out and then in, and we're going to do that twice. Now from here, underneath for the pupil, we're going to draw in a half circle. So we're going to connect this from the inside, bringing this around and up. And then over on the inside corner, let's just draw in a circle for the highlight. Now in the middle for the nose, we're going to draw in a small arch line. And then again for the mouth, moving down, just making that bigger. Now let's focus on the rest of the hair. So starting on both sides, we're going to curve a line that comes around and then down. Moving up, we're going to draw in a small straight line coming up towards the top of our page. And now moving up on both sides, we're just going to curve this line around and then down. And then now from here, we're just going to continue to bring this line over and in. Now on the outside, we're going to curve this line out, in, and then down. On the inside for the braid, just curving that line in. We're going to replicate the same pattern. So on the outside, curving that out and then down. And then on the inside, curving that back in. Again, moving down, replicating that pattern. Now let's move down below, leaving a small gap. We're going to draw in a sideways oval. And then moving up above that, we're just going to curve this back in towards the top. Closing off the end of the braid now, we're going to start on the outside, curving this around and then back up and in. Now that we've drawn that, let's focus on our body. So moving down directly in the center for the neck, let's draw in a small curved line. On the left-hand side for our left arm, we're going to arch this around, bringing that in, bending it at the elbow. And then we'll do the same on the right, just ending that at roughly the same height. Now from here, let's bring this arm on top. So we're going to start on the bottom here, curving this up and over. And then we'll close this arm off on the bottom, bringing that in. Let's start back on the top now. We're going to curve another line that arches across for our top arm. And then closing off the wrist, we're just going to curve this back down. Let's leave a gap, replicating that as we move across. Now for the fingers, we're going to start on the bottom here, curving this around and down. We'll move up into the middle, arching that in towards the center. And now one last time, curving this around and through towards the top. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and in for our last finger. Again, in the middle, curving this around, back down. And then again, one more time, arching that down and in towards the top of our arm. On both sides now, let's curve a small line that comes up towards the top, closing off the arms. And now let's move in for the collar. So in the center, we're going to curve this around and out. And then now in the middle, we're just going to draw in a small circle for the button. And then in the center here, we're just going to connect this with a small curved line. Let's close off the rest of the dress as we move down. So we're going to curve this line down on the left and then again on the right. And then from here, we're just going to close this off with a nice big curved line. For the stripes now on the left and right hand side, we're just going to bring this line down towards the bottom. Stepping over again, let's replicate that. And then again, one more time. Now lastly, let's just draw in our feet. So on the inside, we're going to curve a small line that comes in towards the middle. Stepping below that, we're going to arch this line down towards the bottom of our page. Now from here, let's curve this line over and out. Starting from that corner, we're going to arch this up and then down. And then we're going to draw in a small diagonal line to close off the boot. And then lastly, we're just going to draw in another curved line on the bottom, following the shape of our boot. And that is it. That's how you draw Wednesday Addams. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.